All right, lads and lasses, welcome along. Almost everyone I've taken through, we've gone through, we've had this conversation. Power BI is dead limited. I can't do it, right? Invariably, it's because they're not shaping their data right or understanding what you can do when you pull data into Power BI. Now, the most common thing that we're going through, and honestly, everybody we date with, they go, oh, what? So I thought, right, show you this, lesson 1, right? Unpivot data. Huh? This is so common, okay? Human mind doesn't work the same way that a machine works. Simple. Not rocket science, is it? So this spreadsheet here, which is fish counts in the River Tyne, Riding Mill, just up the road from here, right? It's broken down in such a way, it's like a table, a matrix table or a pivot table already. Now, when you read this into Power BI, it's going to be all sorts of wrong. Okay, there's lots of things in here that are just that you're gonna have to do further things with to fully shape. Like you've got stars and we've got other things, right? But the main thing we've got to do is we've just got to actually make it so it's columnar, because Power BI is all about the columns. So how do we make it all about the columns? We jump on into Power BI desktop, we'll open it up and we'll unpivot it. Yeah, and unpivot. When I take people through it and say, "Oh, you got to unpivot the data," they're just gone. So let's have a look. Jump on Power BI desktop, we'll unpivot it. Dead simple. Power BI desktop. Easy, innit? Let's go and open the data source. So it's Excel, click Excel, paste the location in. Once you select your spreadsheet, bringing it all in. You can see we've got the different counts there. See, we've got the daily one. Like that. We've got the monthly. We want the monthly one. Let's pick monthly. You can see it's nice, it's found out, it's a table, bring it through. Little trick, transform the data. Didn't load it, transform it. Transformed it, we've got our data in. Okay, first thing that we didn't need is we didn't need the total. So the totals are just bad. So we can right click on those and remove the columns. Easy. Didn't have a total at the bottom. Okay, next thing, right, what you want to do is if you highlight the first column, right, an example like this, highlight the first column, and then right click on it, and you choose to unpivot the other columns, right, watch and learn. We'll end up with our months and our fish. Okay, and then all we would need to do is cleanse that column. So we'd look to remove the dashes, remove any rows that were like that. The stars, remove the stars, so we end up with just numbers. Okay? Dead simple. Okay? This is one of them things though, if you didn't know what you're doing, it's just like, okay? Unpivot. Dead easy, and it's a complete game changer for you in the way that you do your imports and your data ingestions. So what do you think? Video 1 of what? Basics, kind of like, little skill tips to learn, this and that, right? Don't forget, go and check out the one on DAX, right? Have a great weekend. Make sure you practice. Cheers.